Let's set up Goal Coach. Once again, we'll take advantage of create React app to initialize our application. Run the command create React app Goal Coach. Now go ahead and pause the video until yours completes, because I'll jump ahead to the finish of my installation. Great, your output should look very similar to this. Now, don't forget to navigate into your new project directory by typing in cd or change directory Goal Coach. Now we'll have a few node modules to install. Let's run npm install Redux, React Redux, React Router, and Firebase, and save all of these. We'll employ all 4 of these packages as we develop our application. So once again, go ahead and pause the video until yours completes. Great. Once that all finishes, go ahead and open the project in your preferred code editor. Also, launch a project as well if you want to see it running in the browser already. Launch it by running npm start. First of all, let's go to the public folder and look at index.html. If you made the previous applications, you'll notice that we have a very helpful CSS file missing. So go ahead and navigate to new browser window or tab and search React Bootstrap. Go to Getting Started and copy the minified CSS style sheet and paste it right above the title component. Cool. Next, as usual, we'll delete the entire source folder. As we delete it, you'll notice that the default application will disappear. So now it's complaining that index.js does not exist, but not to worry, because we're going to create our own source folder. So now in the source folder, I'm going to create index.js. Within index.js, I will create our default React code, so import React from React. We'll need to import the React DOM from React DOM. And then we'll use the React DOM render function to return some JSX. It just says app for now. And then we'll target the element by ID, which is root. And then it won't work just yet. We need to relaunch our development server because we crashed it. Head back. And it's waiting for localhost. It's reloading. And there it says app. Great. Next up, now that we see our div rendering, we can move on to actually setting up our 3 main pages already for this application. So within source, create a components folder. And let's declare 3 new files. The first one will be app.jsx. The next one will be signin.jsx. So capital S, sign in, camel cased, JSX. And same with sign up, JSX. So the S and the U are capitalized. So bear with me here. We're going to write some default code for each one. So for app, we'll import React and the component from React. Then we'll declare a class of app, which extends the component. We'll render some JSX, return JSX that says app, and then don't forget to export it. Now we'll need the same exact code basically for sign in and sign up. So usually it's not a good idea to copy and paste, but in the interest of time, let's just go ahead and change both of these to sign in and sign up. Now we'll need to import each of these components. So let's import app from components/app. The same thing with sign in /sign in. And last but not least, they're pretty much all equal, so can't really say one's the best or the least or the worst or the greatest. Great, we've done a lot of setting up, So let's move on to the next section where we start adding some new logic and React code that we haven't even used before in the previous applications. See you there.